Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here. I'm here in Edmonton and I'm at Toys R Us. I found the Ocean Protector Mosasurus. This guy is an amazing figure. I'm not sure where else it's out at. Also found one of these guys. They've got a clearance on these older human figures, and they have some of the older ones too. But I'm hyped, super excited about this Ocean Protector Mosasaurus. This one's made from 1 pound of ocean plastics. That is insane. I'm really glad that Mattel made the decision of going this route with such a wonderful figure like this. It's such a really good cause that they're helping. And I love that we finally have a repaint of the Mosasaurus. There, it's a lot to handle. I'm so excited. Look at the paint job on the head. It's got some white splotches and a blue eye. Really beautiful box. Yeah, I'll make sure to pop up a review on it later. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.